In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable startup backup messages and backup reminders in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you're seeing constant pop-ups asking you to set up or complete a backup every time you turn on your PC, it can get annoying really quickly, especially if you already have your own backup system or you just don't want to use the built-in one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn off those reminders so Windows stops nagging you at startup. First, make sure you're signed in to Windows with an account that has administrator rights, because we'll be changing system settings. Then, head down to the Start button on your taskbar and click it. In the search box, type Control Panel, and when you see Control Panel appear in the results, click to open it. Inside Control Panel, look for the category labeled System and Security. Go ahead and click that. On the next screen, you'll see an option called Backup and Restore. On Windows 11 and newer versions of Windows 10, it may say Backup and Restore, Windows 7. But don't worry, it's the correct place. Click that option to open the backup settings. Here you'll see whether Windows Backup is currently set up. If a backup has been configured before, you may see a schedule and a backup location listed. If Windows is prompting you at startup, it's usually because backup is either set up but failing, or it's not fully configured. To stop the reminders, you need to turn off the scheduled backup task. On the left side of the Backup and Restore window, click on Turn Off Schedule. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to turn off scheduled backups. Confirm this choice. Once you do that, Windows will no longer run automatic backups on a schedule, and in most cases, the startup backup reminders will stop appearing. If you do not see a schedule but are still getting messages, check for any Setup Backup or check your backup links in this window. Opening those and canceling the setup, or closing them after confirming you don't want to configure backup, often clears remaining alerts. After making these changes, restart your computer to confirm the backup messages no longer show up when Windows starts. And remember, even though you've disabled these reminders, it's still a good idea to maintain your own backup solution, whether that's an external drive or a trusted cloud service, so your important files stay safe.